Hey guys, in the morning I realized that one of my headlamp bulbs is not working on my car. So on the right side, as you see that, the white light is not working. So I was trying to figure out how to replace it. So I'll walk you through the steps. It's pretty easy. I thought it's very difficult, but it's easy to replace. So first you need to open the hood, right? So the hood is generally for my Honda Odyssey. It is here. So I'll open that one. And then once I get that hood open, so you have a small clip here in the hood. So you need to just push this side, and then hood will open. Right now I open the hood, I put it there to the stand. So now because this middle light is not working, so there are three lights, 1, 2 and 3. So if you go behind here, there are 3 bulbs. So one is here where you see this one. This is one bulb, the leftmost one, and the one that you see here, which is little bit tough to reach, but that's the one, second one. And the third one is here where you see the light blue plug there. That's the one. That is the third light. So the one that I need to change is easy one, easy to reach. So that's the second one. I'll show it to you guys how to replace this. As you see here, you need to detach that light bulb to the holder first. So there is a small clip there. You just press it and push it down and it will come. So you see here, that one I just pressed it here and then the bulb came out. So if I can show it to you, if you bend this one where you see the 3 dotted lines, you just press there and then it should be able to come out. And then the bulb is stuck here, so you need to twist it little anti-clockwise and then pull it out, and then you get the light. So I was able to remove the bulb from here, so I have to buy a new bulb. For me it's the H11 bulb. So I went to Walmart and got it. It's like around $13. It's H11 12 volt 55 watt 64211L. So I got a bulb like this. Hopefully I got the bulb. So I think they're exactly the same. So I got Sylvania H11, right, the basic bulb, where I saw that these things are matching. So H11 and all that stuff, I made sure I got the same exact bulb. So I'll try to replace it now. Yeah, as you can see, the left side is the old one, the right side is the new one. They exactly look like the same. Now I'm ready to replace it. So it's pretty easy. So there is a small, you see there's clips, 3 clips are there. So just insert into that. And then this one, you see this one has to go down like this. So what you do is just insert in this angle, turn it clockwise, then it will go there, and then you will just plug it into that green outlet. Okay, and see here I put the bulb there, which I made sure it's coming in here. So the bulb with that red strip is the one that I plugged in just right now. Okay, so when you put that green box and then when you push it up, you'll see a little click sound. That means it is attached to here. Now let me see if the bulb started working. Here you go guys, I just replaced the new bulb. It seems to be working for me now. So it's very quick. I think less than 2-3 minutes, 2 minutes job. So yeah, good luck. Hope this video helps.